The animal world is full of infinite, magnificent species, and a lot of them are beyond our imagination. There might be as well as many birds in the world as human beings. Each species is unique and has distinctive characteristics, making it stand out among the others. In today's video, I'll be showing you some rare and distinguished bird species that are extremely difficult to find. We get right into it. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be able to get a notification of the same. Now let's start with number 1. Southern Cassowary. It is an attractive bird that inhabits the dense rainforest, mostly in Indonesia and Australia. They are very conspicuous and stand out because of their enormous size. They generally grow to a height of 50 to 71 inches, which means it is the third largest bird in the world. It is overshadowed only by the ostrich. They can be distinguished from the other birds simply by their blue necks and black bodies. It also has a big horn on top of its head. It is regarded as one of the most dangerous birds in the world because it possesses blade-like claws which are quite capable of killing a human being if it's provoked or if it feels threatened. Their diet is mainly herbivorous. At number 2, we will look at New Zealand rock wren. Can hardly manage more than 7 feet off the ground or distance of more than 100 feet. They hop and run in a very unusual way as they bob their head. It is not the best flyer, up to a height of 1,000 feet. They eat mainly invertebrates from the ground, as well as berries, seeds, and nectar, and flick their wings. They have long, stout legs, making them good rock climbers. They can survive in high altitudes with no year round. Number 3, we look at South Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher. For the first time in 130 years, this bird has been spotted. This bird has a stunningly colored plumage with a kaleidoscope of metallic lilac, orange, and bright blue spots. This bird just stands out among the rest of the birds. Just see at how beautiful it is. At number 4, we're going to look at Rufous-headed hornbill. They sport a bony casque which sticks out from the top of their wrinkly red-orange bills. The bill may seem strong, but it is actually structurally thin with a hollow bone cells. They have an interesting way of protecting their little ones. Both mama and papa use saliva and mud to build a wall across the entrance of a tree cavity, essentially sealing the female and the eggs inside. They leave a small hole at the top through which the male can pass food. And if that isn't enough, the parents are extremely territorial when defending the nest. At number 5, we look at Kakapo. Kakapos are loners who never leave their territory but stay in the same range for most of their life. They nibble seeds, plants, and various fruits from the ground, though they can climb high into the trees. They like to leap from tree and flap their flightless wings. At number 6, let us look at blue-eyed ground dove. You are used to the normal blue and white doves, but I'm sure you haven't seen this one, so I'll just get right into it. These lovelies are the rarest and most endangered doves in the world. For 75 years, they were thought to be extinct until 12 of these species were happily rediscovered in 2015. They are named for their shimmering blue eyes, which match the spots on their wings. The blue is a striking contrast to the rest of their mud brownish red plumage. Take a look at this. Next, at number 10, we look at Imperial Amazon. The species is critically endangered. In 2019, it was estimated that there were only about 50 mature individuals left in the world. They are about 19 inches long. They are very shy. They travel in groups of 3 at most. Sometimes they feel comfortable enough to flock together. The red-necked Amazons. They are good climbers and strong flyers with powerful wings. They prefer to perch on top of trees. They are also difficult to detect as they are well camouflaged. Number 8, we look at the New Caledonian Owlet nightjar. This is a bird which is black with grey strips, with long slightly rounded tail, short rounded wings and long stout legs, showing is a ground feeder. Its voice is unknown, but it is assumed he whistles and makes prolonged trilling sounds. Number 9, we look at CEBU Flower pecker. They are found only in CEBU Islands in the Philippines. These birds were thought to be extinct due to the disappearance of their habitat, but in 1992 they popped up again in a small limestone forest. Their name quadricolor refers to the 4 colors of the male plumage: blue, white and yellow. CEBU flower pecker eats only fruits and seeds. There are only 105 CEBU flower peckers in the world. Just see how extinct they are going to be. We decide to do something about their natural habitat. Lastly, at number 10, we're going to look at the golden pheasant. They are named after their golden crests. We are wowed by the male's colorful body. They can grow up to 41 inches long and the tail is 2/3 the length of the entire body. Golden pheasants are really hard to find and there is a little known about them. There are only 1,000 to 2,000 of left. That is all for the rarest birds in the world. If you are amazed, kindly give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye for now.